Hello, and welcome to the Quarterly Tabs video for the Tennessee Strong Families Tracker tutorial series. In this video, we are going to go over the Q tabs in detail. To begin, you will start in column B. For a client you have served during the respective quarter, you will first enter their unique client ID. From there, in the same row, move right through the columns to mark whether this client is a new client or a continuing client for the current fiscal year. If new, put a 1 in column C. If this is a client you have already served this fiscal year, put a 1 in column D. Next, continue right through the columns to input the client's demographics information. Simply input a 1 in the correct columns to identify the client's ethnicity in columns E through N, their gender in columns P through U, age in columns W through AC, and any special classifications in columns AE through AM. Once you have completed the client's demographic information, you will scroll further to the right and input a 1 for any service category type the client received this quarter. Just like for the annual service types columns in the Client ID Key tab, each of these columns should either be blank, indicating that the client has not received any services in that category, or contain a 1, indicating that they have received a service from that specific category. Upon a revisit, if a client receives services from the same service category they did previously within the same quarter, no further input is needed in these columns, as long as it was properly recorded during the previous visit. If there is already a 1 there indicating that they have received services from that specific service category, you're all set. This covers all the areas of the quarterly tabs where you will need to manually input data. Below the areas already discussed, you will find Services Delivered, which should not be touched. This area simply takes the data from your inputs in the Services Log tab and counts the services delivered for the respective quarter, indicated with a 1 in columns F through Y in the Services Log, which we will discuss further in the next video.